How to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can see birthdays on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see birthdays on Snapchat, it is actually quite very simple to do so, but just remember that you cannot see each and everyone's birthday, only for the ones that have enabled this option. If your friend's birthday is public, you'll be able to see it. So for this, all you have to do is open up the Snapchat application here, just come to the chat page, and then just navigate to the person whose, let's say, birthday you want to view. Once you navigate to that person, just navigate to the profile page, and you should be able to see their birthday over here if they have basically enabled it. If you want to view other people's birthdays, you can see all the upcoming birthdays of the people that are in your friends list as well. And this way you'll be able to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.